I have this fan blowing directly at me and it feels way colder than without the fan. So yeah, that makes sense. But when I set this fan directly into a thermometer, nothing actually changes. It doesn't change the temperature at all. So in this video we will figure out why blowing the fan into a thermometer do not change the temperature, but it feels cold. And we will replicate one trick which I saw in the internet. And we will see if attaching cold bottles to the fan actually might change the temperature. Could it work like an air conditioner? So we have those two bottles of water, which is not water right now, it's like an ice. You can see it sounds like an ice, right? So they are very cold, it's very cold to hold them, and I will attach those to the back of the fan and we will see if that will make any difference. I will use a few cable ties to attach that. So now we have attached those two icy bottles to the fan and we will see if that makes any difference for the temperature. While experiment is running in another room, I wanted to explain why it actually feels colder when that fan is blasting air into you, but it doesn't change any measurements in the thermometer. So you probably know that our body is radiating heat all the time, like 37 degrees of Celsius all the time. And when we radiate that heat, we actually create a layer of hotter air around us. I know it's really hard to imagine that, but it is way easier for people to understand that with water. When you are in kind of cold water, your body temperature is radiating heat and it warms the water around you. Let's say you are laying in the cold bath or the pool or something like that. And it doesn't feel that cold at that moment. But when you move, you mix that water a little bit and it starts to get colder. Or if you are in the river flows all the time and that water around you is never heat up. And the same thing with the air. When you are sitting still at your table and you are working, you create a layer of hotter air around you. And when you blow that air from the fan, you blow away that hotter air just like the river. And another thing is evaporation. You know, we sweat to cool ourselves down. And even if you don't feel like you are sweating, our body actually releases some moisture from our skin all the time. And for that moisture to evaporate, it needs some energy, it needs some heat. So it takes the heat from the body and basically evaporates, and in that way we cool ourselves down. And again, when we sit still and we are working or doing something, that moisture is evaporating all the time and creates another layer of very moisty air around us. And when the air around us is very humid and there is a lot of moisture around us, that evaporation process slows down very significantly. And when that slows down, we can't basically get rid of the heat from our body. It's not that efficient. Again, when we blow that fan at us, we decreases that moisture around us. The air around us becomes less humid and we can get rid of our body heat more efficiently. But all of this mechanism works only if the air temperature is lower than your body temperature and it's not that humid in the environment. If that air around us will be hotter and we will blow it with the fan, it will feel like a hairdryer. It will feel hot. And the same with humidity. If the humidity is very high and you blow that into yourself, you are not going to remove that humidity around you. You just increase that and it won't help at all. That fan doesn't make the temperature cooler, it just makes you feel colder. And I know that there are some cases where people just run that fan all day long, even if they are not home. And that doesn't make anything, it doesn't make the room temperature colder. It just burns the electric energy, and actually it makes the room a little bit hotter, because when fan is running, it actually generates a little bit of heat. So it's not efficient at all. But what happens when we add those very cold water bottles behind the fan? Does it make any change? So let's get back to our experiment and see how that works. Okay, so I ran this experiment for 12 minutes, and as you can see, nothing really changed. I can confidently say that attaching water bottles, cold water bottles to the fan doesn't make it an air conditioner. I had some hope in that, but it just didn't work. I tested that for 12 minutes and nothing happened. And have you ever thought why airplanes can't use regular gasoline? I have a video about that, so see you here.